How to combine data on Excel with CONCAT, quick and easy. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today I will be showing you how you can combine your data on Excel using the CONCAT function. So let's get into it. Now, to get started, all we're going to do first, I'm going to go into the home page of Excel and I'm just going to open up a simple spreadsheet to show you guys how we're going to combine data. I'm just going to add the online sales tracker. So you can see over here that I have these cells over here, and maybe in the end cell, I want to combine these two data pieces. So maybe I want to combine these two data pieces. So what I would do is I would just click on the cell, I would click on the FX on the top, and I would click on is equal to. And then what you're going to do is you can add is equal to, and then you can add some brackets, and then you can add the specific cell number of which you want to add the information from. So this is cell number B15, like so. And then you can add a comma, and then you're just going to add the next cell, whatever you want to enter information from. So it's going to be C15, like that. And then you're going to enclose your brackets. And just like that, you have your values added. So that is a simple way for you to enter your values. Now, this is like a simple sample of the concat function. This is one way to do that, but the concat function is an actual function in Excel. So if I open up a new worksheet over here to show you guys actually how you're going to use the specific concat function, because I used to run away from Excel. I thought it was so difficult, but once I actually started using Excel, I realized that it is not difficult at all. There are just a couple of formulas and a couple of things you need to understand, and once you have done that, you will be ready to actually be able to use all of its functions and use it to its full potential. So let's say I make a list. So I have a name and last name list, and now I'm just going to input some random names, and then I'm going to enter some last names. Now you can see over here, I have this list of names and last names. What if I want to create the D cell? So within this D column, maybe I want the last names and the first names to be combined together. How will I display that in the D function? Well, for that, what I'm just going to do is I'm going to click on is equal to, and then you can type in the first cell number, which would be A2. And then you're going to add comma, and then you're going to add B2 like this. And you can see over here that you have an error in this value. So you can choose to trace the error where the error actually is happening. You can see over here that if we're going to do this, we're going to ignore the error. But how do you actually have this displayed onto your Excel sheet? Well, for that, you're going to be using the actual Excel formula. So I'm just going to remove that over here. So once you actually have decided the cell, you're just going to click on is equal to, and then you're going to type in con, and this will show you concat, confidence.norm, whatever, but we're going to focus on concat. So you're going to click on concat and it will tell you text 1, which is going to be A2, and then you're going to add a comma, and then you're going to add your text 2, which is going to be B2. And just like that, you have your two texts selected. So if you have a text like this, you can also choose to expand it in a simple way like this, and then you're going to encapsulate your text, and just like that, you have your text added. Now, this is one simple way to add two text and combine two texts together on an Excel sheet, but you might be wondering, I want the full names to be displayed, but I want to add space as well. For that, what you're just going to do is you're going to see your formula on the top left over here. You have your formula bar, and what you're just going to do is you're going to create a space. So first off, I'm going to remove this bar over here like this. So you can see over here, I have the text displayed. Now, after that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a apostrophe comma. So spaces are accounted for as a alphabet in an Excel sheet. So you're going to have to add a comma or a apostrophe and then enter space, and then you're going to enclose the apostrophe, and then you're going to add your other comma just like this, and then you're going to click on enter like this. So as you can see, I've added a space and two double apostrophes. Between the two double apostrophes, I have a space, and now the name that has been displayed over here has a space in between. And once you have applied this formula, you can see there is this green box that is outlining the cell, and if I click on this over here and drag it down, it will apply this to all of the cells that I have dragged this to. So that is how simple and easy it is to use the concat formula on Excel. It is nothing confusing. It is so simple and basic, and there are so many other features as well, such as if I add a title like full name. So you can see maybe I want all of these to be capitalized. So how can I capitalize all of these? What I would do is I would select all of these, and then I would choose to click on format, and then I would choose to add the general. You can take a look at what kind of text this is. So this is text, and you can see you have your text formatting available as well. And then you can also click on is equal to. So we're going to add is equal to upper. So if I go on to is equal to and I write upper, and then I'm going to select the data like this, and now you can see I have this name displayed in a capital form, and I can drag and drop this like so. If you want to display something capital form or a smaller form, you can do that with a simple Excel formula as well. And there are so many other formulas available. There's so much more you can do with Excel sheets other than these basic functions. And not only that, Excel now also has templates that you can work with that will help you in simplifying your work as well. So you can see if we go on to Excel, if we go on to back onto our home page, and you can see not only this, you can also create detailed expense budgets, you can create detailed mathematical formulas as well, and not only that, you can also enter vertical plus horizontal summation. So you can see, like for example, this, you have the personal total, which is the personal expenditure of the company, and this is all summed up horizontal formula. So you can see the horizontal summations are here, and then if you go down vertically, it will show you month-wise how much the overall expenses of the company are within a specific month. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful and you are now able to do your concat functions and other functions on your Excel sheets as well. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful and you are now able to follow along with these methods and techniques that I showed in this video. And if you found them helpful, make sure to share them with someone you might think that may need these. Share them with your friends, with your family, with your cousins, and share them with any business partners that you might have. And it might help you guys a lot to know all of these techniques and to follow along. And if you enjoyed this video, I would recommend that you please leave a like. And if you have any questions regarding this video, regarding any other video, or regarding any social platform, then you can definitely ask me in the comments down below, and I will try to answer as soon as possible, because that is the point of our YouTube channel. I want to show you guys on how to glide through these platforms and how to easily navigate and fulfill the purposes that you want to do with these social platforms. And if you have any details that you might want to know, any suggestions, any improvements that you think that I could add on to these videos, then please do leave them in the comment box down below, and I will make future videos according to those. And if you have any specific topics that you look forward to, also leave those in the comment box down below, and I will try to make videos on those as well. And make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out other videos. And if you feel like some other video might be helpful to someone else, make sure to share our videos with your friends and family as well. And if you find that there is something missing, I will try to figure out a way to integrate more accurate content according to your needs onto the channel. So make sure to tell me if you find anything missing. So that was it for today. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.